What is that stuff? Don't run too fast, Daly. Don't run. I don't want no one getting hurt. Aw. Daly, he's never seen snow before. This is his first snow. Come up here, baby. No. Come on, Daly. Tucker doesn't know what to think. Okay, come up here. Is it snowing, Tucker? Careful. Careful, was it snowing? Yeah! Good boy. You like the snow? No, don't jump on me. Don't jump on me. Good boy. Yeah. Tucker's first time seeing snow. He's like playing in the snow. Don't be too rough. He's wore out.